I won't put it in.
Hey guys, we're going biking. We're going all the way to McDonald's. Woo! Everyone behind smile. Look at us go. Woo! Yeah. We're gonna hit up the drive-thru on bikes. Guys, we're so cute. We're all on a caravan of bikes. By the way, this is Jane. It's Tuesday. Well, stop. Sorry. Quick stop. Look at everyone say hi. Hi. This is our group for 11 weeks of summer.
It's 8:38.
Yeah.
Let's try to leave McDonald's by 9.
That's what I said before. Carrying on hoodlums we know. I hope we don't know those hoodlums. Okay, you go, Hannah. Gnarly. So even though, what's today? Is today Sunday? No. Are you sure? Oh, right. So today's Sunday. Even though it's not Tuesday, I'll be uploading this video on Tuesday, as you can expect. I like this. This isn't the traditional video. And if you don't believe me that I'm actually on a bike and I'm moving, here, look at the ground. Look at it go. Look at it. Woo!
You hold it in front of your face.
Well, yeah, but now I only have one hand.
No, like, hold it where your handlebars.
Oh, right. Oh.
A mailbox.
Don't hit a mailbox. Oh, it works.
Yeah.
Oh, Hannah, that's why we keep you around.
You know what would be really fun is if we don't tell our parents. Don't tell them what. That we like McDonald's. Oh, I already did.
I kind of told my mom, but my mom doesn't spread things.
Hannah, speed up.
Picking up speed now, and it's really cool because it's pretty late. Well, not late, it's like 9 o'clock, almost 9, maybe 8:30. But it's like nice and dark. It's really dusky, or yeah.
Guys, don't quit sticking
Whee! So the great thing about being a 15-year-old is you're at that stage where pretty much everyone has a bike, but of course we don't have cars and we can't drive yet, so we decided that the universal vehicle for 15-year-old girls is our bicycles. Yeah.
What?
I'm sorry. I'm just gonna Kids, never record and drive. Sorry. So right now we're going to try to go to the drive-thru at McDonald's, even though we're on bikes. Emily, how you doing?
I'm doing good, Jane. How are you?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Oh, I asked you. Yo, Polly. Woo!
Guys, let's go through the drive-thru.
That's our plan. Guys, where are you going?
Where are you going?
Guys, that's the exit. That's the exit.
Wow, such rebel.
Turn. I'm sorry, Emily. I was trying to give you a heads up. Welcome to Broomall. Always wear a helmet.
LOL or not.
Or no. Like our pal Emma here. Guys, this is highly illegal and very funny.
It's very good. What are you guys getting?
I'm getting a small
getting fries
strawberry
and a
banana
drink.
smoothie. Yeah! We are currently going through the drive-thru at McDonald's. What? I'm getting fries and, Are we really going to do... We're really going to do this. We're going through the drive-thru and we're on bikes.
Oh, sorry.
Guys, I ain't going first.
You can go first.
Shit, no. Here, I like this lane.
No, I'll go with you. Same. Should we just all go together?
Whoa, someone broke into Dunkin' Donuts. Dude,
Ruckus.
let's go over there.
No, let's not.
Oh, okay, we'll just get McDonald's. Here, are we all getting?
No, just do it yourself.
Oh, gosh, I look funny. Here we go.